Hi friends, I am Ashwini Kumar Bansal, a Vastu consultant and civil engineer by profession. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the Vastu of computer table and chair. Now we will discuss the design of computer table. In market, computer tables start with 1.5 feet by 2 feet. Okay, means width is 1.5 feet and length is 2 feet, and then the size goes on increasing. Okay, I have a table here 2 feet by 4 feet. You can still use bigger versions, bigger sizes. Okay, so whatever is your requirement, better go for somewhat larger table, because in future you may need some more space. And then height is generally 2.5 feet. It is generally standard. So if it is higher, you can adjust your chair. You can use an ergonomically designed chair. Okay, then shape is best when it is rectangular with curved edges. Okay, square or rectangular shape where length is not more than twice of the width is considered very good shape in Vastu Shastra. Okay, if it is an L shape, if you already have an L shaped table, better you convert it in two parts. Okay, both rectangular shape, then it will be easy to handle, and you can keep one portion either your right side or towards your left side as per your own sweet will, as per your requirements. Then the edges should be curved, rounded off. Okay, so they doesn't pinch anyone. Coming to the third point, you can give curve to this table. If you want to stay long, want to work for more hours, then there should be a curve in this table towards your stomach side, so that your stomach will adjust in this table and you will be able to work for longer hours. Okay, this is a very good remedy for students who are not interested for staying long on their computer or study table. Then material, best is when it is natural material. Okay, but you can use nowadays, you can use board also, but it should not be too light like plastics. Plastic table is not good. Okay, if someone strikes this table, then it may overturn. Okay, so it should not be too light, neither too heavy. Okay, so two people who can easily move it, then it is okay. Then color, coming to color, its color should not be too dark like black color. It will become too tamsi design. Tamsi means inactive, which represents death. Okay, black color or tamsi colors attract mosquitoes and other microorganisms. Okay, and they can make anyone pessimistic. So these are not good. And red color or extremely shining white color is also not good, because it is not easy to maintain it, not easy to maintain the cleanliness. Then your computer table should not make any sound, any noise, means its joints should be intact, solid. Okay, it should not sway. Then it should be able to easily clean. You can clean easily, okay, within no time. And the design should be of good quality, means then you should have sufficient space to keep your feet below it. Okay, now I will discuss the chair, computer chair. Chair ergonomics we will discuss. To increase your efficiency, you need a well designed chair. Okay, so here I am showing you a figure of the chair, a diagram. So the seat where the person will sit should have high density padding. The material used for this seat should be easy to clean. Okay, then the headrest should be adjustable so that you can adjust as per your requirements, as per your head height. Then the back seat, it should be large to support your entire back and should have ability to recline. Like this you can recline. Okay, and then adjustable lumbar support, lower back, because the lower back problem is increasing because people are sitting on computer chair, working on computer for long hours. Okay, so there should be adjustable lumbar support. Then adjustable comfortable arm rests. Okay, arm rest, because you should take rest after 45 or 50 minutes of work. So you should take rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So you should have good arm rest, back rest and head rest. Then this chair is considered a good chair. Okay, then in the lower portion of the chair, which I am showing you here, you should be able to swivel this chair like in this manner. Okay, right or left. The base should have 5 or more pedestals for stability, at least 5 pedestals, not 4 or less. Okay, then there should be free flowing casters, the rollers, paiye. Okay, then there should be arrangement of lever to adjust the seat height. As per your height you can raise it or lower it. Okay, so this chair is considered a good computer chair. Okay, because problems of backbone, neck and lumbar region and headache, eye problem also, these are increasing. Okay, so you should keep in mind that you should use a well designed ergonomic chair for working on your computer or laptop. Thank you for listening attentively. Have a nice day.